can't expect me to tell you that. You told me yourself that you were going to kill her with your sexual power. What sort of father would I be if I just handed her over to you?
All right, then. I'll find her on my own.
Or
what?
Or we could make an arrangement. Perhaps for every kiss you give me, I could give you a piece of information.